Welcome friends to my channel Digital Scrapbooking Life, where I share all of my craft projects and ideas, and I share our lives and what led us to move to Hawaii in 2022. I have been crafting for 30 years. My very first job was at H&H Crafts. They were eventually acquired by Michael's Arts and Crafts. So I often wonder if I love crafts so much because I was introduced to crafts in my part-time job while in high school, or was I drawn to work at a craft store because I love crafts so much? Well, I'm just so grateful to find like-minded people like you who are also enthusiastic about creating arts and crafts like me. So let's begin. In the first part of this video, I'm going to show you a really quick and simple layout that takes only 2 minutes to create using Canva's template.
To find this template, go to canva.com and search for the template named Summer Vibes Photo Collage.
In the second part of this video, we will make another layout that involves a little more customizing. I have 3 photos in this layout, so I'm going to choose this simple minimalistic layout. And that will make it really fast and easy to complete. I've already uploaded my 3 photos, so I will just drag and drop them into the photo frames. Click on crop to be able to manipulate the photos so that you can adjust how it views through the window. So you can enlarge the photo and move it around. Let's customize the date, and then I'm going to make it a little bit smaller than the title. And I like the title to be on top, so let's move that up. And then we will align both the title and the date to the layout. I've uploaded some digital papers that I created, and I will show you how I did that in another video. So I found this one, and I'm just going to drag that design to the background of the paper, and you're all done. So if you want to stop, actually you got to move the paper to the back. So click on position to move it to the back. So you're all done if you want to stop here. But if you're like me, I like a lot of stuff. So I'm going to create another design.
Go to canva.com and search for the template Geyser Soft Polaroid Modern Aesthetic Photo Collage. And search for the template White and Green Cute Colorful Tropical Summer Vacation Photo Collage. I am using this template for the 3 photo frame cluster. I am using this template White and Green Cute Colorful Tropical Summer Vacation Photo Collage for the green palm foliage and the lemon graphics. I am using this template Blue Minimalist Summer Photo Collage for the image of the cute sun. Now we just drag and drop the photos into the frames. On page 2, click on Position to view all the layers and then click on the graphics you want to copy over to your project. In this case, I want to use the green foliage and the lemon image. Select those and group together and right-click to copy, and then go to your project on page 1, right-click and paste. Move that group to the back behind the photos. Choose your desired digital paper and drag it to the background. And then move it to the bottom layer. I am looking for my title and remembered I saved it to my project titled Elements to Use. I had found the font and liked the color combination, so I saved it for future use. So I opened that project in another browser tab, copy the image and paste it onto my current project. Now on the left sidebar, click on Elements and type in Parrot, click on See All to find a cute graphics to add. I am going to resize him and then click on Edit Image to add a drop shadow.
And that's it, you're all done. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, subscribe, and share to help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Please watch my other videos for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. See you in the next video. Thank you so much, and God bless.